starts to wake. Today I'm going to talk about grandparents, the timeless work of art in our life. I live in a joint family. When somebody asks me who grandparents is the most, I will say my grandparents. Grandparents are the roots of our family. They are very experienced and knowledgeable. They tell me stories. They always take good care of me. They play with me. My grandmother cooks for me whatever I like to eat. They teach me moral values like loving, being kind, and praying to God. They are the source of unconditional love. I love my grandparents. We should take care of them. Thank you.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country
I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage.
and proud of its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I shall always try to be worthy of it.
I shall give respect
I shall give respect
to my parents, teachers, and all elders,
to my teachers, parents, and all elders,
and treat everyone with courtesy.
and treat everyone with courtesy.
To my country and my people,
To my country and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity,
and prosperity,
alone lies my happiness.
alone lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
I am from class 2A. Today we are celebrating Grandparents' Day. Our grandparents are roots of the family. Like rainbow has 7 colors. Our grandparents teaches us 7 values of our life. That values are first, honesty. Second, kindness. Third, gratitude. Fourth, perseverance. Fifth, integrity. Sixth, hard work. Seventh, respect. Thank you. With me, you see the best in me, and you're to be around. You read books to me. You want me to succeed, and your wisdom is profound. How wonderful it is to know you, to learn from your experience. So thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. I am so very glad you are in my life. Thank you, Grandma, Grandpa. Today is for you. Today is for you. We want you to feel very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Thank you. I'm honored to stand here today and express my gratitude towards all those who made this day possible. First, I would like to thank our principal and teachers for giving us this wonderful opportunity to speak about our lovely grandparents. First, I would like to thank